Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this electric tooth polish. So it comes with 5 heads, 5 different speeds. As an LED light is waterproof, so it has all the functions which we can expect these days. I have already an electric toothbrush, I have an electric water flosser, but still my teeth are not in perfect condition, so I figured this would be the perfect enhancement for my whole set here. And the thing what you have to know, when your teeth are polished, they are more flat and then the dirt cannot stick so good. And I love that I can do it on my own. Last time I was at the dentist and they offered to do it for me and they asked for so much money. It was absolutely crazy. So I figured that's the much better way to do. So I'm going to take it out and show you how it works. So here's the box with everything nicely organized here inside. Comes with this instructions manual, and then we get the polisher itself. Comes also with a standard USB-C charging cable and all the accessories in this small box. So everything well organized. And so here we have these 5 tips. Some are flat, some are more like a cone. And this goes then really nicely in between the teeth. That's something which I really love to do. And the polisher device looks really nice. I would say fits perfectly into my hand. It comes already with 1 brush head attached. But to replace them is not difficult because we get this small wrench. We can just put it here in between of the head and the polisher. You have to align it here. Of course, it's a little bit difficult here in front of the camera, but basically this is what we need to secure it. And then we can remove the brush, unsecure it with 1 hand. I've been even able to do that without really looking at it, so easy it is. And then we keep holding it like that and take the new brush, just center it in the hole and attach it. I don't even look at this thing. We remove the wrench and so we have replaced the head now, super easy. And to turn it on, we press here just short and then it goes automatically into the last mode which we have been using last time. And if we want to change the mode, we can easily change it here at any time. You can see super easy to use. You can also see the strong light which is automatically turned on, and so you can see that nicely where you're working. Of course, usually you are going to wet your teeth and using some toothpaste, and even dry it won't even hurt. So I'm going outside, try it for a little bit and then come back and let you know what I think, how it worked. And so I've been using it now for a little bit and it worked really great, exactly how I was expecting, that much better and much softer than all these metal plaque remover. I have already tried one metal, like something like ultrasonic, and it caused me heavily bleeding, so I stopped this thing. This was much better, much softer. When I used the comb tip here and pushed a little bit too hard, it still gave me some very slight bleeding, but it was absolutely no problem, barely something to see. And what shocked me really is how much dirt it removed from between the teeth. So I think this thing is really effective, still soft, but effective enough. And it's also very convenient to use. It has a safe stand here. By the way, we have the USB charging port nicely secured down here, so we can close it again. We don't have to fear that there will be water inside, so we can put it here. Also after using it, I've been rinsing this tip here under running water while it was still spinning, so absolutely no problem. So I think it's really the perfect device for me, the missing piece which I have for my tooth cleaning, and I'm absolutely confident that it will also work perfectly for you. So I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.